papi. Saluden, muchachos. Puro Panchantena, todos hombres y Evelyn. Y pues vamos a tomar unas fotitos muy bacanas en el nevado y vamos a acampar y la vamos a pasar muy chévere, así que bueno, saludos.
You didn't even call me when you came to town. What's that all about? I know you're trying not to hurt me. You don't wanna bring me down. But why is it gotta be so black or white this time? How could you go from all into
MX en Construction Camping. El penthouse de Diego Ares y ya familia MX. Ya.
How could you go from all into nothing? How could you go from all into nothing? Wish I knew how you were doing. I see your friends at coffee shops. Work is fine, I'm keeping busy till I break down in parking lots. You didn't even call me when you came to town. What's that all about? I know you're trying not to hurt me. You don't wanna bring me down. But why is it gotta be so black or white this time? How could you go from all into nothing? Love or hate this time? How could you go from all into nothing? How could you go from all into nothing?
¿Cómo es? Omar, ¿cómo es?
Te queremos, Omi, te queremos.
Ah, Omi, de los 8 grados. Acá estuvimos a 4, estaba bien cabrón.
Minutos de dormir.